Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we'll continue with question number 2 today. Question number 2 says express 2x square minus 8x plus 5 in the form of ax plus b whole square plus of c where a, b, c are integers. So they want us to write this equation in the form of completing the squares, and b part is write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 1. Okay, easy questions. What we'll do over here is, so for first a part, we have equation 2x square minus 8x plus of 5. So we'll take 2 common first of all. We get x square minus of 4x plus of 5. Right? Now what we can do is, uh, this 4 is actually 2 times b. So b we will take as 2 and b square is 4. So 2x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus of 5. So from here we get 2x minus 4x plus of 4 minus of 8 plus of 5. So this gives us 2x minus 4 whole square minus of 3. Right? So if I compare this with equation a x plus of b whole square plus of c, so what I get is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 3. So these are the values of a, b, and c. Alright, and what they want us is to write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph. So line of symmetry is actually, if I have a curve of a quadratic equation, so this is my point of vertex, right? So the line passing through the point of vertex is actually the line of symmetry. Okay, so if this line, if I check it with x and y axis, so this line will be actually the point of x that this vertex will have. So if I say that it is a comma b, so the equation of this particular line will be when x is equal to a. So if the point of vertex is a comma b, coordinate of x is a, so the equation of the line will be x is equal to a. So we need to find the line of symmetry for y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus of 1. So we have y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus of 1. So let's find the vertex points for this line. We'll take 2 common. We get x square minus of 4x and plus of 1. 2x square minus 4x plus of 4 minus 4 plus of 1. So from here what we get is 2x minus 4x plus 4 minus of 8 plus of 1. This gives us 2x minus of 2 whole square minus of 7. So what we get is h is equal to 2 and k is equal to negative 7. So from here we can say that vertex points are 2 comma negative 7. So line of symmetry is x is equal to 2. So the curve is somewhat like this, and this point minimum value is 2 comma negative 7, and the line of symmetry is line passing through this point, that is x is equal to 2. I hope it is clear. Let's continue. So part A says express 7 plus 5x minus x square in the form of a minus x plus b whole square, where a and b are constants. Okay. Part B, find the coordinate for of the turning point of the curve. All right. so point of vertex, and stating whether it is maximum or minimum point. All right, let's start with part A. So part A, 7 plus 5x minus x square. Now we want to represent it in the form of a minus x plus b whole square. Let's start. We get 7 and minus of x minus x square minus 5x. So to make this as a whole square, what we need to do over here is we need to add the value of b square. So this is 5 is 2b. So what I will add is 5 by 2. So b square is square of 5 by 2, that is 25 by 4. 7 minus x square minus 5x plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4. This is what we'll do over here. So 7 minus of x square minus 5x plus 25 by 4, and we'll multiply and negative, so we get plus of 25 by 4. So 25 by 4 adds with 7 and gives us 53 by 4, and a negative of x minus of 5 by 2 whole square. I hope it is clear. And if we compare it with the given equation, we get a is equal to 53 by 4 and b is equal to negative 5 by 2. So these are the values of a and b. Now part b says we need to find the turning point of the curve and state whether it is a point of maximum or minimum value. Okay, so now if I compare this equation, negative 1 x minus 5 by 2 whole square and plus of 53 by 4, a is equal to negative 1, a is less than 0. It means h comma k is a point of maximum value. Right, so h comma k is a point of maximum value, and since h comma k is the point of maximum value, so orientation of curve will be like this. So this is the point of vertex, and h is equal to 5 by 2 and k is equal to 53 by 4. All right, so these are the values of h and k. So they are asking coordinates of the turning point. So turning point is the point of vertex, therefore coordinate of turning point is 5 by 2 comma 53 by 4. Okay, I hope it is clear. A part. Express this equation in the form of ax plus b whole square plus of c, where a, b, c are constants. Write down the coordinates of vertex of the curve, this particular curve, and state whether it is maximum or minimum point. Let's start. So 2x square plus 9x plus a 4. We'll take 2 common. So we get x square plus 9 by 2x plus a 4. So for completing the square, this is 2b. So we'll add b square, where b is 9 by 4. So 2x square plus 9 by 2x plus 81 by 16 minus 81 by 16 plus a 4. So from here we get 2x square plus 9 by 2x plus 81 by 16 minus of 81 by 8 plus a 4. So from here what I get is 2 times x plus of 9 by 4 whole square, and we get negative 81 and plus of 32 by 8. So from here we get 2x plus 9 by 4 whole square, and this gives us negative of 49 by 8. So we wrote it in the form of ax plus b whole square plus of c. So a, b, c's are, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 9 by 4, and c is equal to negative 49 by 8. These are the values of a, b, and c. Now they want coordinates of vertex. Okay, and we need to state whether the point is of maximum value or minimum value. Okay, so by comparing it with the journal equation, a times x minus h whole square and plus of k, we find that a is equal to 2. A is greater than 0. It means h comma k is a point of minimum value. Okay, so h comma k is a point of minimum value. Now if I compare, what I get is h is equal to negative 9 by 4 and k is equal to negative 49 by 8. So these are the values of h and k, and the coordinate will be negative 9 by 4 negative 49 by 8. These are the This is the point of minimum value for this given equation. I hope it is clear. Let's move forward. Find the minimum value of h square minus 7x plus of 8 and corresponding value of x. So for this particular question, we need to tell minimum value, that is y, and we also need to tell the corresponding x. So both y and x. And as you know, the minimum value is actually the point of vertex. So what we need actually is h comma k, where y is equal to k and x is equal to h. I hope it is clear. Let's try and find that. So y is equal to x square minus 7x and plus of 8. So from here what we get is x square minus 7x, and this is 2b. So b is equal to 7 by 2. So if b is 7 by 2, b square is equal to 49 by 4. So plus 49 by 4 minus 49 by 4 plus of 8. This gives us x and minus of 7 by 2 whole square, and from here we get minus 49 by 4 plus of 32. X minus 7 by 2 whole square and minus of 17 by 4. So if we compare it with the journal equation, we get h is equal to 7 by 2 and k is equal to negative 17 by 4. So the value of y that we want is, so since a over here, if we compare it with the journal equation, so journal equation is a x minus of h whole square plus of k. So value of a is greater than 0. It means the point that we'll get is a point of minimum value. So point will be of minimum value, and y is equal to negative 17 by 4, and corresponding x for that is x is equal to 7 by 2. These are the answer for the question. I hope it is clear. Let's move forward. So a part says write the given equation in the form of p minus 2x minus q whole square and sketch the graph. Okay, so let's start. So 1 plus x minus 2x square. So let's take it as y is equal to. So we get 1 minus of 2, we get x square minus x by 2. So b over here is 1 by 2. 2b is 1 by 2. So b is 1 by 4. So b square is 1 by 16. That will add and subtract. We get minus 2x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16, which is equal to 1 minus 2 x square minus x by 2 plus 1 over 16 minus of 1 over 8, and minus minus becomes positive. So this is 1 over 8. Now what we get is 1 over 8 plus 1 is 9 over 8 minus of 2 and x minus of 1 by 4 whole square. So this is what we are getting. So if we compare it, we get p is equal to 9 over 8 and q is equal to 1 over 4. Alright, now what they want is to sketch us this graph for this equation. If we write it properly, we can write it as y is equal to 2 x minus 1 over 4 whole square plus 9 over 8. So if we compare it with the journal equation, that is a x minus h whole square plus of k. So a is actually negative 2, a is less than 0. That means h comma k is a point of maximum value. So h comma k is a point of maximum value, and we get h is equal to 1 by 4 and k is equal to 9 by 8. So the point that we are getting is 1 by 4 comma 9 by 8, and this is the point of maximum value. And we also need the intersecting points with the x and y axis. So if I take this equation, to find the intersecting points with the x-axis, what we'll do is we'll take y is equal to 0. So what we are getting is negative 2x square plus of x plus of 1 is equal to 0. Product is negative 2, sum is 1. That means we can take it as negative 2x square plus 2x minus of x plus of 1 is equal to 0. We take negative 2 common as well as x. We get x minus of 1, and we take minus 1 common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 and 2x minus 1, negative 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives us x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 1 by 2. So these are the two intersecting points, and to find the intersecting point with the y-axis, we take x is equal to 0. That gives us y is equal to 1. So if we draw the graph, we have a maximum value. So the point of maximum value is 1 by 4 and 9 by 8. Alright, so this is the point of maximum value, and y-axis is at y is equal to 1, and x intersecting points of x-axis are 1 and negative 1 by 2. So let's take it as negative 1 by 2, and let's take it as 1. So 1 comma 0 and negative 1 by 2 comma 0. This is where the y-axis will pass from. This is 0 comma 0, and this intersecting point is at 0 comma 1. So I hope it is clear. We'll do next question in the next lecture. Till then, take care.